Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen on the application of Messenger. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Messenger and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.